Well, hi everybody. I'm just being comfortable, sorry. Alright. Hi everyone. This is like comforting myself right now. I'm in a very awkward spot and not at all comfortable. What is wrong with me? Hello, hi. Sorry, hi. I'm still not comfortable. Oh god, what is wrong? Stop behaving like a weird person. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hey love. Hi Avneet Aspire. Hi Avneet Kaur Lifeline. Hi Suraj. Hi Avneet Kaur Punjab. I can't express how happy I am to see you. Thank you. I love you. I can see that. Matty, oh my god, you don't know how uncomfortable I am right now. Come live after such a long time. You look so cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. You look cute as well. How are you, Avneet? I am awesome. How are you guys doing? Hey sister, loads of love to you. Hi. भाई कैसे हो? मैं बहुत चाहती हूँ हम मिले. So मिलते हैं जल्दी. Very soon. ध्यान रखो. Hi अमेय, what's up? ठीक लग रही हो, टेंशन मत लो. I am so concerned right now. Like I'm literally adjusting myself, but no, I'm fine now. Yeah, I'm completely alright. Not being weird at all. How are you? I'm good. Avneet Kaur Lifeline. How are you? Purple. Hi Forum. Hi Forum D. Hey beautiful. Thanks. My cute sister. Missing your live as well as always. I am so sorry I've come live after a very very long time. And thank you so much for 34,000 people are watching. And oh my god, what is happening? Like seriously, you guys love me. Missing your live. Yeah, exactly. I've come. We'll come to see you and family ways. And you have to bring the, you know, who I'm talking about right now. So, I'm really, really excited to meet her. Like that. Oh my god. Oh, you are so love, Abu. Love you too, Angel. Hey, love. How are you? I'm awesome. I'm superb. I'm good. Awesome. Everybody should be good. Love from Maharashtra. Love from my love from my house. Right now I'm like in my home, all comfortable. You are cute. Thank you. You are cute too. What is this uncomfortable mood? I don't know. Like I started my live twice and then I sort of got off somehow. I don't know how, but that happened and I was like, oh god, so that's why I'm a little uncomfortable. I wasn't even ready. Like I started it and I wasn't sitting and I wasn't, you know, I was in a space. I was drinking water and I was like, oh, ye kya ho raha hai? So that's why I'm uncomfortable. So I'm all sort comfortable. Where are you? मैं घर पे हूँ यार. मैं कहाँ हूँ ना इस टाइम तो मैं कहीं बाहर नहीं जाऊँगी. अभी तो घर पे हूँ. So you are so cute. I love you. Thank you so much. Love you too. Love from Pakistan. Love from India. Abu, can you please say hi, Aman? Hi, Aman. Is it Aman or is it like Aman? Because you've put double A, so I want to be sure about that. Yeah. Okay. Take your time. Been a while, I get it. Yeah. Been a while. Definitely. Drinking water. अरे हाँ मैं पानी पी रही थी. Actually not पानी. I was having juice. So I sort of I was like in the middle of it, so got really uncomfortable. Can we like stop talking about that and move on to something now? I'm feeling so weird. प्लीज से हाय मिशिका. हाय मिशिका, कैसे हो आप? आफ्ताब भाई से कब मिल रहे हो? मैं बहुत जल्द मिलना चाहूँगी. प्लीज टेक माई नेम, यू सो अडोरेबल. हाय सौम्या, कैसे हो आप? क्या हालचाल है? अच्छा आप लोग अब बताओ. मैं तो अपने बारे में बहुत चप्पड़ करती हूँ. मैं एकदम से आ गई हूँ लाइव इतने टाइम बाद, एंड आई फील आई एम यू नो क्रिएटिंग अ सीन हियर. सो टेल मी अबाउट यू. हाउ आर यू गाइज? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? व्हाट्स न्यू? जूस में कुछ मिला था यार? बस करो यार, बस यही काम रह गया ना लाइफ में करने के लिए. अब और कुछ तो है नहीं ना. सो नहीं, it's not that. I was just drinking juice. That's it. Please take my name, Rafia. Hi, Rafia. कैसे हैं आप? I'm in love with your earrings. Thank you. These are generally I have worn them for the first time now, and I was like, अरे यार मैं oh sorry. That's some decorative thing. So. I have worn these for the first time. मतलब कितने टाइम से I was actually thinking कि मैं पहनूंगी and आज मैंने ये green outfit पहना है. So I was like yeah, finally green it will match and all. So I thought yeah, I'll wear this. We will miss you in Aladdin. Arey, you have no clue how much I will miss Aladdin, and everybody. I've been seeing so many posts. I actually wanted to talk about it. I've been seeing so many posts of you guys. जब आप बोल रहे हो कि we will miss you या ये वो जो भी है मैं सब देख रही हूँ. And guys, I will miss Aladdin even more because I've worked on this show since such a long time, and it's difficult obviously for me as well. But definitely I will. Siddharth and I will work together. We will definitely work together, and many more projects are coming. This is what I can like promise you right now. Many more projects are coming in the future, so that's it. Be excited for it. I am very excited for it. So this, and also please I love you all so much yaar. Just try to be positive as much as you can, everybody. Try not to spread any negativity around. Try to be happy. Try to try to give positive vibes to people. You don't know what people are going through in life, so you don't want to be a person who would let them down in any way. So just be a good person and try to be positive, because these are like such rough and such tough times for everybody right now. तो इतना ही बस बोलना चाहूँगी कि बस खुश रहें सब लोग, और खुशी जितना हो सके स्प्रेड करें. Sorry, I was just in my. I'll just. Beautiful girl, cutest. Farina, I miss you so much. You have no clue. Like I really want to meet you. We will meet. ये लॉकडाउन के बाद तुझे मिलना है, ठीक है? Working from home these days, missing traveling to Himalayas. That's about me. I can completely relate to that. I mean, like we all are missing work, and this quarantine has taught us so many things right now. कि मतलब कि you know life can change any moment. You don't know what is gonna happen. So I think being happy in what you have, being full is like very important, and this is what quarantine is teaching us. So I hope that everybody gets back to work soon. All this mess clears up very soon, because we are all so sad and we are all so tired of it. And yeah, so I can completely relate with you in that. Clumsy Avneet is a mood. Clumsy Avneet is definitely a mood, Amay. I love you, beautiful. Mwah. This is what I was promoting just a while back. That's my brother. No, it is for face. Dare you not to put on your hair.
Smoothing.
It's for teenage acne issues.
Smoothing तो बाद होते हैं.
अच्छा तुझे लॉरियल देख के वही लगा ना. Oh, I just you do this. You did this. अरे यार वो बैठी जाती हूँ. Why are you leaving the show? अरे यार बस अभी can we talk about something else? Let's talk about something else, please. As it is, I am very, हाय हाय पल, कैसे हो? हाउ इज लाइफ? हाउ आर यू डूइंग? बॉलीवुड डेब्यू gets me goosebumps every time somebody asks me this. Definitely that's my dream, so waiting for the very best opportunity to come on its way and let me just grab it. Let's just see, I'm working it out, so I hope कि कुछ अच्छा बड़ा है, फिर मैं आप लोगों को एक बड़ी सी न्यूज़ खुशखबरी दूंगी। दी आप कैसे हो? मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ, तुम बताओ कैसे हो? Hi, beautiful girl. Thank you. All right. So if somebody wants to like join in my live or something, I am all set. I'm all ready for that. Please go ahead and send in your request so I can accept them. Stay safe. We love you. Thank you so much. Stay safe. एक काम करती हूँ मैं ना. Let me first pin down some questions because I've been getting like a lot of questions here. Okay, Amruta here is wanting me to take her name desperately. So Amruta, I'm here only. I'm listening to you. Hi, how are you? Good talk, stay well, talk soon. Yeah, definitely, I'm. So I was like, boss, ये क्या है? अरे यार, can you guys like stop saying that यार? Come on यार. Please. अवनीत, जय के साथ चैलेंज वाले वीडियो बनाओ यूट्यूब के लिए। जय ही इज प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम, मेरी बात नहीं सुनता। कोई नहीं, बनाएंगे बनाएंगे, वी विल मेक सून। somebody wants us to make YouTube video challenges and all that. Why did you do that? Oh, actually you can do that, it looks very nice. है ना, the lights of the background. But it is not giving focus on my face. Can you switch that back? Switch it back off. Thanks. He always messes up with me. Yaar. Raghav is saying, can you sing Yari? Sure, I can sing Yari, but मेरा अभी थोड़ा गला इतना amazing नहीं है, तो रहने दो। हमें tada tada, bye bye. Abu, do you know about happy 19th birthday Avneet? How are you feeling? अरे मैं बाप रे, I'm turning 19, मैं 19 होने वाली हूँ. God, that makes me so nervous right now. Oh my God. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very excited about that. I'm lying, I'm not excited about that at all. But I'm excited about the page that you made. मैंने देखा वो page बहुत अच्छा है and I've liked a few posts also. So thank you so much, sweetheart. I love it. Love you. God bless you. मेरा भाई बीच में आता रहेगा, वो सब करेगा काम, मुझे पता है. ओके, व्हाट्स माई नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट? ठीक है, अभी तो फ़िलहाल मैं बिल्कुल अपना ध्यान रख रही हूँ, घर पे हूँ और खुश हूँ, और मैं थोड़ा अपना क्वारंटीन को देख रही हूँ. आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग थिंग्स राइट नाउ, सो आई एम नॉट रियली डूइंग एनीथिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. आई एम नॉट होल्डिंग, आई एम नॉट getting into any major stuff. I would say I am chilling as of now. मतलब हमेशा के लिए नहीं, I will take up something. So जैसे भी कुछ भी होता है, you guys know I always share the news with you all, especially पहले Instagram पे. So I will तो definitely do that. Okay. What is the secret of your beauty? Please advise us. I would say आप पानी पीजिए जितना हो सके. मेरी मम्मा पापा भी मुझे बताते हैं, like I don't drink a lot of water, which is a very bad thing, but I have started drinking a lot of water. Try to wash your face. Try your कि आपकी skin ज़्यादा oily ना रहे, because that would